name is Nihanshu Singh. She is in UKG Saffron. We have just got her admission in this school, and she is learning very good.
We want to another month. We started learning Hindi very well. The one thing I like most about this school is environment, the infrastructure and the facility. The main facility I love here is CCTV camera access. Yes. Because I can watch what he is doing so that I can correct him. So another thing, here the faculties are very friendly. At the core, they are very friendly, and especially the principal ma'am, Jyoti ma'am, she is also very friendly. Whatever the issue, they are texting to class staff, they are immediately replying. Even we are telling any suggestion, immediately they consider our suggestions. Yes. So I am very happy that I have admitted in a good school in Delhi. Everything about this school is I don't have any negative feedback at all. Everything I love about the school, and he is also enjoying. Yeah, he started at last one day. He is okay. He is pretty settled in the school.
Actually, our first priority is kids. So we keep our kids on first priority.
Another thing is they are teaching with the playing bola. They are teaching with whenever they started playing. They started playing at the same time they are learning. I am very happy about that. That work.
Yes, when we have play, we learning. So
Yeah.
kids play and learn together.
Yeah, that is the one thing I love most of it. It doesn't come in
Savi's mother. She is in pre-nursery. She has joined this Mama school 2 weeks ago, and she is quite happy coming to this place, and she's learning with activities in this school. And as a parent, my main concern is my.
बस तो सब बढ़िया है, और मेरी बेबी स्कूल मतलब कई बच्चे होते हैं ना इसके स्कूल आने में थोड़ा वो होते हैं नर्वस, लेकिन नहीं, उसको कहो कि आप छुट्टी कर लो फिर भी कहती है नहीं मेरे को स्कूल जाना है। सैटरडे को भी कहेगी उठ के कि नहीं मेरे को स्कूल जाना है, और तो उसको स्कूल आना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और मैडम के साथ भी बहुत फ्रेंडली है, और मतलब सब इम्प्रूव है हर चीज़ में, लर्निंग में भी, रिटर्न में भी, हर चीज़ में
जाके बताता होगा।
हाँ जी, जो जो स्कूल में होता है सब बताती है। हाँ जी,
अच्छी बात है।
हाँ जी,
ठीक है, और कुछ?
बस मैम स्टाफ इज वेरी गुड।
Very good. Okay, thank you, ma'am. That's honor. We are honored.
हाँ।
18 in fact, right? So my elder daughter is Adya Roy. So I got her admitted here. That time the school was very new. So my experience was very good. It was excellent, right? She has learned many things from here, because it's early stage, so it's very important for students as well as parents also to learn good habits and good basic skills actually. So my daughter Adya has really done very well, and all teachers were very supportive. So I have recommended more than 20 parents, and with my reference more than 20 students have admitted here.
Thank you so much, sir. It's very honored.
So that's why when it came to Adrit, I have decided, me and my wife, we have decided to let's go with Mago Kids only. So that's why I got him admitted here.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, is there anything that we can improve it?
See, right now about Adrit, it will be too early to give my feedback. But yeah, he is gradually learning, sitting in the classroom and in playway. These are the things you are expecting from a teacher, from a school.
Yes. Sir, actually we always focus that kids learn with playing.
Yeah.
Playing way, like we follow playing and learning, and we focus on teachers like personality as well, so that teachers can handle them well.
Yeah.
So our main priority is kids performance and kids development. So thank you so much, sir. Your feedback is so precious for us.
This is very important actually, as you said, learning through playing. That is very important. So we call it, I have been also working in the education sector.
Okay, sir. Yes.
So earlier I have given my 10 years to this education sector. I have worked with many companies like Microsoft and Cognitel, IBM, and basically my journey is about implementation of emerging technologies to education.
Okay.
So Microsoft as a tech leader, they are also talking about game-based learning. They have developed Minecraft and many more learning platforms.
Puzzles, games, quizzes.
Yeah. So this is the way. So research says that while a student learn through game, adaptability is very high,
Hi.
and retention rate is also very good.
Yes, yes.
So once they will learn while they will play,
Play.
it will be with them for years and years.
Yes.
So we, as a parent,
So
we really
true.
want to appreciate you all teachers and your management, Jyoti madam, right?
Yes. So recently we have added something new in our curriculum, that is personality development classes.
Yeah.
So by games, by activities, by practical learning, we are teaching them some social skills, how they can inculcate the learning and social behavior, so
Yeah.
that they can grow with the same thing and they can learn better.
Go.
ये कि जैसे घर पे जाती है, बात करने का तरीका है इसका वो भी बहुत चेंज हुआ है। बच्चों के साथ मतलब सही से बोलना, फिर खाना खाने से पहले इसको मतलब हाइजीन, हाँ, हैंड वॉश
डस्टबिन में भी
वगैरह,
डालती होगी अभी।
जी हाँ जी, सब चीज़ें डस्टबिन में मतलब कूड़ा वगैरह मतलब
जी,
सारे,
हाँ।
हाँ वो चीज़ें करती है। सही है इसका, हाँ, खाने वाने का भी मतलब शेड्यूल हो गया, टाइमिंग मतलब
बन गया है।
हाँ, टाइम से खाना वाना खाती है, हर चीज़ें।
थैंक यू मैम फॉर फीडबैक, हम और करेंगे, इसको और अच्छा बनाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone. She's Bhamika Shukla. I'm her mother, and she's coming to this school, Mago Kids Glow. It's been she's coming from last 1 year, and we can see incredible progress in her. I would like to thank her teachers and staff that they are helping to boost her confidence. And first she used to cry while coming to school, but now she happily comes here. So it means teachers are doing something good, that the child wants to come to school daily. So I would like to thank everyone, and I can see significant progress in her personality development. And what would you like to add?
I think overall it's a very good childhood here we have seen in the school.
Yeah, it's and one thing I would like to add, that they celebrate each and every festival with so much enthusiasm. So my child is learning about all kind of festivals, not a particular religion, but she is celebrating different cultures. So that's a positive impact, and I can see. First she was very shy, and but now I'm getting a positive feedback that she's improving and she's engaging with everyone in her class. So this is all a parent want, that happily if my child is going and making progress. So everything is going great, and I would like to thank Mago Kids Glow for helping and for developing my child personality in a positive way. Thank you.